Hi, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about deflating your tires just a little bit faster using 4 of these. So I recently purchased some automatic tire deflators from Amazon. It's a 4-pack. I'm not going to try to do this without dropping them and seeing them roll down the alley. This is a fail. I'm going to have a fast forward section or some creative editing here. Okay, so this is the 4-pack I got off Amazon. They're just under $30 for the 4-pack, so I wasn't really expecting a whole lot. But you know, honestly, they work just fine. I attached them to all 4 tires, and then all 4 tires are deflated in about 6 minutes each. So it's a huge win. I do have to check the pressures after the fact. I run these Geolanders at 10 to 10.5 PSI, and I don't want to go too much below that because, as you can see, it is a standard rim. I don't have bead locks. Even 10 is risky. You do have to be somewhat careful how you drive it with 10, but I've not run into any issues whatsoever. And again, these things, they worked perfectly. They got each tire within 0.5 PSI. So it was basically exactly what I needed. And the most important thing is it's doing it in 6 minutes.
There are 2 types of deflators. There's the conventional type that simply attaches to the stem and opens the valve. The second type is a bit more intricate, but it completely removes the valve assembly, leaving a larger tube for air to vent through.
I personally don't use those because I don't like the wear and tear it does on the valve itself. I'd rather it be a little bit slower and not run the risk of damaging my valve.
To compensate for the longer deflate times of a conventional deflating mechanism, I scooped a set of these fully adjustable deflators. To calibrate them, you'll first need to deflate one of your tires to the desired pressure level. Then attach the adjustable deflator, undo the locking collar, then rotate the cap counterclockwise until you hear air rushing out. Then move the cap clockwise until the air slows or stops completely. Tighten the locking collar and the calibration is complete. Repeat this for all 4 deflators. When you're at the trailhead, attach all 4 to your tires. While they're no faster individually, as a collective they have strength in numbers, and this is what will reduce your overall deflate time.
There's 2 processes that most off-roaders dislike. It's both the inflation and deflation of your tires. When you get to the trail, you're just anxious to hit the trail. So deflating your tires is it's half an hour that just sucks. And then adversely, when you're leaving the trail, you're kind of looking forward to getting home, seeing your family, whatnot. You want to air up as fast as possible. So both those processes, the longer they take, the more frustrating it is. And so like I said, this one, it works just fine, but I have to do it 1 tire at a time.
Again, these are no faster than my VIAR deflator, but because they do all 4 tires, well, pretty much at the same time, my deflation time is now around 6 minutes instead of 25 to 30. As I mentioned earlier, I still check the pressure with my ARB digital pressure gauge to ensure that I'm at the exact tire pressure that I want.
So the link for these is in the description. Check them out. They work just fine. You may want to get a set just to speed up your tire deflation. So I hope you liked this quick product review of my auto tire deflation system. And if you did, give me a like, smash the like button, tap the like button, just do something with the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. And maybe I'll see y'all out on the trail. I'm out of here.